Hey guys, so today, hey big boy, today we're gonna do something a little different. So I'm outside in the backyard, basically just letting my dog play, spending time with him while I paint my toes. I thought that would be an interesting video. Okay, so what I have with me, I have my gel machine, box of base coat gel, top coat gel, and all I have at home is white gel. You like that treat, big boy? Okay, now I'm just gonna file my toe. So basically, I already took all the gel off already. I took it all out here because my mom always talking about some dust this, dust that. So whatever. So right now I'm just gonna file my toes. This is so weird. What are you looking at? I ain't got no more. I ain't got no more for you. You want me to file your nails? That's weird. That feel weird. You don't like it? I don't have no more, buddy. No more trees. You getting so fat. Oy. Oh, you cannot touch my gel machine. I'm gonna scoot closer. Excuse me, Oscar. Excuse me. Thank you. I didn't even think about scooting closer. So there's been two guys that walk past the backyard and they're just like, "What are you doing?" And I'm like, minding my business. Exactly what? Uh-oh. Hey. No. Yo, you got my gel machine in here, bro? This shit costs whatever. I will show you how my toes look like right now, but they look crusty, dusty, musty, fusty. Okay, not musty. They just look hella dry. Oscar, what are you looking at? Oh, I know the bees look. I'm not extra. You extra. Okay, so. Who cares? This is an interesting video. Everybody likes dogs. Damn. Excuse me? Go. Why didn't I do this at work? Because I'm always busy at work. That's why. Why can't I let somebody else do this? Because I'm really picky and nobody can do it like how I like it. I mean, I literally was about to go to a nail salon today and get my feet done, but I was just like, why do I need to spend money when I can do it myself? But sometimes I don't like to do it myself. You rude. Ow. This is my big boy. His name Oscar. He a big boy. So this is how my feet looks like right now. Dry as hell. Ooh, Lord, this is how his feet look like. I think his feet look better than mine. Yeah, I can easily get this done somewhere else, but I was like, you know what? I'm gonna let him play out here so I can do this too, so there's no dust inside the house. And it feels good outside, plus I can see a whole lot better out here. It's way more sunlight. Way more light, period. So I'm gonna take the bottom of this towel so I can put my feet in it so it won't be nasty. I know. Excuse me, this is not for you. Oh, look at my big boy. He's sitting right next to me. Ooh. You're a good boy. You're a good boy. I love you. He said, good job. Good boy. Oscar's the sweetest. Good boy. You're doing a good job. Okay, where your ball? I know you want to play. Where your ball? Where your ball? Oh, it's right here. Ready? Careful on my machine. Thank you. Okay, so I'm going to quickly paint base coat before his ass comes back. Oh, too late. Now it's curing. Can't believe I'm doing this outside with my dog. This is super weird. There he goes. Come here. You want to see mommy's toes? Oscar, please do not move. Your girl trying to focus. Ooh, I must be really confident in my feet for me to show you guys my crusty toes, bro. I don't know, I thought this would be a cool video, because you know, as you know, I love dogs. I love my dog. I love all dogs. So I'm like, why the hell not? If I was to go on YouTube and I was to search something dog, like somebody like what, sleeping with a dog, or somebody like cutting grass with a dog, or somebody, you know, doing something with a dog, I will click right away, because that's just me. So I'm like, yo, nobody ever did painting toes with a dog. I would show y'all Oscar. I don't even know where he is. I think he's behind me. I don't have no toe separators because my toes touch. Wow, he's breathing hard. Okay. Turn the switch on. Press the button. Okay. Light is on. Oscar is chilling. Hey, big boy. Okay, my feet looks a lot better. I just need to put some oil on it. Oh my gosh, why am I doing this? Alright, I'm done. That was fun. I might do this every time now. Come on, buddy, let's go. Come on, buddy. Okay, so I changed to a different camera. I'm going to show you guys how my toes look like after I painted it with him. So yeah, I didn't want to paint white, but that was the only color I had at home. That's in gel. Please like this video, comment on what you guys think about it, if it was weird, or if you like seeing Oscar, if you want to see more of him, all that good stuff. Let me know in the comments. I am trying really hard to find original content to post, and I feel like this is very original because I haven't seen anybody paint their toes with the dogs before. So let me know in the comments what you guys think about the video, what more videos you want to see, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you already haven't. I will see you guys next time.